Sir, your name?
My name is Honorable Charles Chinwendu Odedo. I was a member of the House of Reps from 2007 to 2015.
So how do you react to the videos?
We are very, very happy. You can hear what the judge clearly said. This suit was unnecessary, completely unnecessary, and awarded a 2 million Naira damages to our governor-elect. So we're very happy. In the first place, it's completely unnecessary suit, just as the court said. And also, to deepen democracy, the public, just as the lawyers, also have a duty to make sure they don't pursue frivolities, things that are completely unnecessary. So we're very, very happy about the judgment. This is a victory for the judiciary, for the masses of Anambra State. I cannot imagine the excitement in Anambra State right now.
Thank you.
Chukwuma, the ABGA and the governor-elect. Okay, the seizure of the case is the skewed allegation that the governor-elect, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, gave false information in his forms that he submitted to INEC, where he stated that his constituency is Agwata 2. So the court considered the case and described the case as unreasonable. The court said it's not necessary, does not help our democracy. The court did not stop there. He went ahead to award the cost of 2 million against the plaintiffs for wasting the time of the court. So the court held that there was no false information, that all His Excellency the Governor-elect did was to state his constituency, which is Agwata 2. So to me, it's a case where the plaintiffs themselves failed to understand the information supplied by the Governor-elect.
Well, as you can see, the court just upheld the submission we made when we came here to argue the matter, that the case was dead on arrival. And the day we argued the case was the day we asked the court to send the case to the morgue. And today we only came for the burial. And you can also see the admonition the court has given to counsel not to bring such useless and unnecessary cases to the court and use the cases of this nature to undermine the administration of the judiciary and rule of law in the country. As you also heard, a case of this nature is also inimical to our democracy in this country. So we appreciate the Honorable Court, we appreciate the judiciary in general, and we hope that today's verdict will bring an end to frivolous cases of this nature. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.